Here's how to easily connect two monitors to one computer. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing. Let's go. Now first, you want to connect your two monitors to your graphics card. Not your motherboard, your graphics card. Usually your graphics card will be the one that is a little bit below your motherboard. You will usually find HDMIs or DisplayPort connections on a horizontal way down here, and this is your graphics card, and that's where you want to hook up your monitors. And the other end of these cables should be connected to your monitor. Make sure you have compatible cables, so I'm going to leave some in the description of this video. Now make sure your cables are working, because if they're not, then your monitors won't receive any input from the computer. Next, and after you have your cables connected, head over to your desktop and right click in an empty space and click where it says display settings. The first thing you want to do in here is select how your monitors interact with each other. You could extend the displays, duplicate, or even show only on one of the monitors. And if you're not picking up all the monitors, you could scroll down and click detect. This way your computer will start picking up the monitors. Now here in this menu, you could play around with your settings as you like, even change your scale and your resolution, even something like your refresh rate. And then you could choose one of your monitors and make them the main monitor. You could even align your monitors in here to make sure there's a seamless transition between monitors when you move your mouse around. Anyways, that is how to connect two monitors to one computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.